guys and girls, it is time to get this car inspected. So we have to put some drive time on it because we ended up putting a new battery on it. Sorry for getting a lot of wind noise. It is ultra windy here in Pennsylvania, but the other thing we have to do, turn down our coffee, right, is get some air in these tires. So let's get out here and get some drive time but on the little Aveo here. Oh man, a beautiful red C5 for sale. Should we stop and look at it? Still driving, boys. Got to usually put anywhere between, you know, 80 and 100 miles on a car. I got about 76 on it thus far, and everything's looking good. No engine lights, no anything like that, which I didn't know there was no engine light. I had to actually put a battery in this car. The battery died because of it being very, very cold lately. So let's keep plugging and chugging. Well, time to get her inspected. Alrighty, we finally have inspection stickers. We are good to go. Now let's go home and see if the Fusion will start. For some reason, I've been wondering, like, hey, will that car actually start? You know, obviously we knew it ran and drove beforehand, but I'm just curious. I want to know. We're gonna go find out. So let's head back to the house and get her jump started and fired up, hopefully. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. We finally got inspection stickers. Back to the house. Now, it is windy as hell. Let's see if we can't get the Fusion fired up. Alrighty, well, we had a guy that wanted to buy the taillights off of this. However, when Mike helped me push it up here, we ended up breaking this taillight as well. Now, as I did tell you guys before, the trunk never opened for me. So in order to get this taillight out, I have to try to come in from the inside somehow amongst all the broken glass. So this is going to be fun. All right, so as you guys do know, I was never able to get this trunk open, and that's sort of one of the reasons why we also crushed it. So solves all time. That should have done her, and we're in. So I don't know what was in there, but for some reason, like I said, I couldn't get in. And from trying to come in from the back, the only place I seen was the pull tabs for the seats were back here. So we just had to get violent and cut our way in. Now we can get to the panel here and make some money back off this bad girl. So as you can tell, it is just 3 10mm bolts and some wires. Let's get them disconnected. It should just push right out. There you go. Now we're able to sell this and recoup a couple dollars. Now it's nothing much, we're selling it for 20 bucks, but hey, 20 bucks is 20 bucks. The last one out there. And there you have it. We still have a good lens, and we're able to make a couple bucks off it. All right, guys, it is the moment of truth. We are heading up to the Ford Fusion, and we are going to see if it still runs. Now, we did know, if you don't know, the car did run before we I guess had a little fun with it. And I apologize if it is a little windy. I did shoot a video yesterday about this, but it was extremely windy and you couldn't hear anything when I did the edit. It just sounded terrible. I didn't want to put out a low quality video for you guys, so here we are at it again today. Oh, I hope I didn't do any damage. All right, let's get our hood prop here. That looks like it'll do. I'm sure you guys can see some damage right now. The intake is split, but I think it might still fire up. I think. Let's get our jumper cables on here. All right, so I forget how it goes, but I think black goes to red and red goes to black. Drop a comment down below if this is correct. I think it is, but I could be wrong. It looks good, right? That's right. Black to red, red to black. Yeah, that's what my daddy taught me. All right, now let's get up here to the truck. And we do have it running. All right, so up here it goes, let me get this straight. It goes red to black. And on this side, red to black also. Oh, we got a little spark. Oh, well, that's probably because the horn's broken. All right, we solved that problem. Alrighty. Oh, wow. All right, well, that is probably because the steering wheel's broken off. But we're gonna see if she fires up. Let me get the key in here. Oh, it is in neutral. Better get that tossed there and out. All right, well, I just hear a bunch of clicking. All right, how do we know if we have proper voltage? Radio? All right, let me just wiggle the cables here. See if maybe that might be our issue. Well, I don't know if it's voltage issue or what, but because there's no pinched wires or anything under here. And this thing did have a little bit of trouble starting prior because of the battery. Well, there you have it. I got to be able to say, guys, I do not think she's gonna fire up. Wow, I just realized, like, this is the top of the door, and that's why I got stuck, because the wheel of the truck was actually down and in here, like, as you can see by the way the door is peeled back. But I'm also curious if the door control still works, since the car won't start. Oh, I think it won't start because of battery voltage, because it was clicking. We're gonna have to figure this out, guys. Maybe I'll go get a battery and we'll toss it in here and see if that'll do it. But I think it just won't start because of battery voltage. To be continued. The window still works. The window still works. All right, guys, so we have Chase here. He is actually gonna detail the truck up. Guys. How you doing, buddy? Doing good. All right, so I figured I'd do a quick little in and out because the truck is absolutely disgusting. And, you know, it was this way pretty much when I bought it back. I obviously didn't help the case by, you know, using it for work and everything like that. But Chase is going to get us all fixed up and cleaned up here. I'm excited, as you all know. And it's actually worse than I thought.
It is pretty bad. Once you take everything out, then you really...
Yeah, once all the stuff came up off the floor, because obviously we got our trash bag and everything, then you really see just how gross that this truck really is. I appreciate it, buddy.
Of course, anytime.
So, and your business is Attention to Detail?
Attention to Detail, PA.
And you're out of Westchester?
Out of the Westchester area, yeah.
Okay,
so
yeah.
We'll go about an hour and a half out of Westchester.
Okay, so he does travel, guys. Obviously, as you can tell, he is here at my house, so...
Yep. Mobile detailing about an hour and a half from Westchester, Pennsylvania.
And I will have all his information in the description below. And
appreciate it.
Have fun, buddy. She's not an easy one.
It's a little chilly outside too, isn't it?
Definitely, yeah. I actually tried to cancel. I was like, hey, it's only like 20 degrees outside. We should probably reschedule. He's like, nope, we got to get it done. I'm like, but it's only supposed to be like a high of 30 today.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, 19 degrees, and now it's only 26, so you're brave.
It was this morning. I'll tell you, when I got up,
yeah,
walked outside this morning, That was brutal.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, when I woke up, it was like 16 degrees, and I was like, he's insane. Like, there's no way. No. And I messaged you, and it was only at 19. I was like, dude, I'm not like. When
I turned my car on this morning, it said 13 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Outside, I was like, shit.
It's insane. But, well, have fun with her. As you guys obviously know, we use her for work. She's a work truck. It don't have to be a pavement princess, but
she will be when we're done.
She's going to look good. I'm excited.
She will.
Holy cow. Look at the difference in this seat and that seat. Man, you are doing a killer job. Like, you don't realize how dirty your truck is until you start to see a comparison like this.
Yeah.
That is nuts. And of course, like he was just saying to me, his chemicals are freezing because, like I told him, it's freaking cold out here. We should wait till it's a little warmer. But he wanted to get her done, and man, you're doing a great job.
Thank you.
I really do appreciate it. Guys, if you guys need any detail work, he is definitely the guy to check out. Again, it's Attention to Detail PA.
There you go.
And his name is Chase. Check him out, guys. We're gonna get a final product, but I had to just come out and like look at this. Like, this is nuts.
And I'll have all the before and after pictures up on my social media pages, so if you guys want to see those,
there it is.
Side-by-side comparisons.
Check him out, guys. Man, did these things come out freaking amazing. I know I've already said it, but guys, we have a show truck now. We're like pretty much street speed 717. I owe it all to you, buddy. I appreciate it.
More than happy to do it anytime. Still need to get you a full detail on the outside of it.
Yeah, we'll do it when it's a little warmer out. We got time. Yeah. My buddy Pat just showed up. Alright guys, we're gonna do a little update. The truck is looking freaking sick. I mean, it is coming out amazing. He is running into a little bit of a problem with like the metal. Everything is turning to ice, obviously, because it's still only like 30 degrees here. So he is running into a little bit of problems, so we're probably gonna have to finish everything major. Like even in here, you can tell that's all pretty much ice. You can see the icicles forming. All icicles, but the truck is coming out sick. Look at the icicle hanging off from here. Like, so it's definitely cold out here, so I gotta give him credit. I don't know how he's doing this, but he's out here knocking it out. The truck looks amazing.
Getting there.
Definitely. I was telling everybody how cold the metal was.
Oh, everything's freezing.
Yeah, so. But definitely, guys, his information will be down below. Definitely check him out. He is the man. Like you can see there on the paint, there's an icicle literally right there on the paint coming down through. Insane. But everything came out freaking amazing. We'll go through it a little bit better here in a little bit, but I'm freaking I'm stoked, guys. I don't think this interior's looked as good since brand new. Like even these door cards, there was always fingerprints and things like that. Man, what a good job. I give it an A+. it.